Studying all the rules, we are going to start with image formation by concave mirror. So we are going to keep object at different places, and then we'll study about the nature, position and size of the image. To start with case 1, we are going to keep object at infinity. So a ray which is parallel to principal axis after reflection will meet at focus. So nature of the image is real and inverted, position is at f and size is highly diminished, or you can write very small. Two. Now we are going to keep the object beyond C. Kindly make sure that whenever you are drawing the ray diagram, your distance between C and F and P will remain same. So measure with the scale and then draw the ray diagram. And P should be exactly in the center of the mirror. Now, a ray which is parallel will pass from focus. A ray which is passing from center of curvature will reflect back along the same path. Nature of the image is real and inverted. Position is between C and F and size is diminished. Now next, case 3, when object is kept at C, rays which are parallel will pass from focus. A ray which is passing from focus becomes parallel to principal axis. Now, nature of the image is real and inverted. Position is at C and size is same. Case 4. When object is between C and F, you are going to keep object like this. Then a ray which is parallel to principal axis will pass from focus, and a ray which is passing from center of curvature will reflect back along the same path. Wherever both the rays are meeting, that will be the point position of the image. Nature of the image is real and inverted. Position is beyond C. Size enlarged or magnified. Now, case 5, when object is kept at F, nature, real and inverted, you can see parallel rays are going and passing, a ray which is passing from C reflects back along the same path. Position at infinity and size is highly enlarged. Now, enlarged. Now coming to case 6, when object is kept between F and P. This is the case where we are not going to get real and inverted image as object is kept very close to the mirror. So a ray which is parallel passing from focus, a ray which is passing from C reflects back along the same path. Somewhere behind the mirror, if when we extend they are meeting, so we are getting virtual and erect image. Position will be behind the mirror and size is enlarged.